Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Eat Planet Map by Honorable Whirlwind. Looking at their code, we can see when I receive blocks, if-then blocks, and set blocks as well. Eat up other planets and avoid being eaten yourself by the bigger planets. And here we have Old Game by Kitten 360. Checking out the code, we see script variable blocks, broadcast blocks, and repeat blocks too. In this classic Pong game, get the highest score and utilize your boost wisely. Next we have Easy by The Ant. Looking at the Ant's code, we see when I receive blocks, when actor collides blocks, and delete clone blocks. Loaded with enemies, navigate through the field to defeat them all. Last but not least, we have Dungeon Quest-Cicada by Sir27 the Gamer. In this text coding project, this user created a simulation for being in a Dungeons and Dragons game. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!